I have a question.
Are you thinking of selling your home this year and wondering what kind of upgrades or remodeling would bring you the best return on investment? You're not alone. According to the Zillow Group Consumer Housing Trends 2020, the average seller makes 2.3 renovations or improvements to prepare to sell, and 79% of sellers make at least one home improvement. Only 21% of sellers list their homes as is. Here are your top 10 home improvement projects that provide the best return on your investment for homes nationwide, according to Remodeling Magazine's 2021 versus Value Report. Here we go.
Buckle up, my friend.
Number 1, garage door replacement. Cost to you is a little over $3,900. Resale value is $3,600. You recuperate 93.8% of your money invested. Number 2, manufactured stone veneer. Cost to you is a little over $10,000. Resale value is $9,500. You recuperate 92.1% of your money invested. Number 3, minor kitchen remodel. Cost to you a little over $26,000. Resale value rounding up to $19,000. You recuperate 72.2% of your money invested. Number 4, deck addition made out of wood. Cost to you is a little over $16,000. Resale value over $11,000. You recuperate 65.8% of your money invested. Number 5, siding replacement made out of vinyl. Cost to you is a little over $16,000. Resale value $11,300. You recuperate a 68.3% of your money invested.
Pay attention.
One thing to keep in mind as we're going through this list, even though you are not earning back what you put into it from a dollar to dollar perspective, it's unrealistic to think that you will never add any upgrades or consider remodeling at some point. So this gives you the framework to help decide what is worth adding and what is worth your hard-earned dollars. Okay, moving on. Number 6, entry door replacement made out of steel. Cost to you $2,000. Resale value $1,300. You recuperate 65% of your money invested. Number 7, window replacement made out of vinyl. Cost to you $19,300. Resale value $13,200. You recuperate 68.6% of your money invested. Number 8, siding replacement made out of fiber cement. Cost to you $19,600. Resale value $13,600. You recuperate 69.4% of your money invested. Number 9, window replacement made out of wood. Cost to you $23,200. Resale value $15,600. You recuperate 67.4% of your money invested. Number 10, deck addition made out of composite. Cost to you $22,400. Resale value $14,100. You recuperate 63.2% of your money invested. If some of these items surprised you or don't agree with, please leave a comment below, because each market is different and more knowledge is power. Be on the lookout for my next video, where I will be discussing the best low-cost home improvements before you put your property on the market.